there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and today is another Smash Your Stash video. This month we're featuring kits and collections, and I chose to focus on kits, namely class kits, is how I'm promoting this one. So I am in a desperate attempt to get caught up on classes and just other kits and projects that I've purchased over the years, and so I made a big effort this month to get some done. And you'll notice to the right there's some hints of Christmas, because yes, I did make some Christmas projects. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with the cards first, and then we'll go and look at the other projects I made featuring kits in my stash. But before we do so, I just want to remind you that this is a collaboration. It is a hashtag collaboration, which means you can check on the hashtag in the description or in the title of this video to see all the other YouTubers that are playing along. It is hosted by Bourbon Creek's Craft. And without further ado, let's look at all these cards. I've tried to group these together as the classes or the kits. Most of these are from an SET event. I think this was maybe last fall. So you'll notice kind of a fall trend. This was the Lawn Fawn class. This featured Concord in 9th. This was an alt new class. I did modify this one slightly. We were supposed to use gold ink, and instead I used gilding flakes, and I created quite the mess. So I ended up trimming this out and then remounting it, and I think it turned out pretty cute that way. So that was Altenew. From the Stamps of Life, Stephanie Bernard. This one here, if you open it up, it has a little stocking that's dangling. I think I made it a little bit long, but that's okay. And we received one of her flip it kind of cards, which she's quite known for. She used to do quite a few of them with Sizzix. So this is the basic design, and then this was kind of a flip it with a fold out. So this one flips open and then it opens up this way, which I thought was kind of fun. These were from a tailored expression class. These were a lot of fun. These stencils actually do like 4 images or 3 or 4 images at the same time. Yeah, I guess it's 4 because it's the cupcake, the cake, 2 cakes I think, and then, no, it's the cupcake, the cake, and the stand I think. I don't know. It does a lot. It's a great way to do a bunch of cards in one shot. I can't remember which company this is. I want to say LDRS, but I could be wrong on that one. This was quite fun as well. I really love hummingbirds, so it was fun to play around with those. Now this was a Gina K class, and there is a third one, but I don't know where I put it. It was quite dimensional, and it doesn't lay flat, and so I put it someplace safe. Go figure. Anyways, they were, I guess the idea behind this was more interesting fun folds. And that's what this one is. So it's like a tent stand card. And we did the wood grain background on here, which was kind of fun. I think this one was from the spring one, and this was Honeybee Stamps, I think. And isn't this owl amazing? I think it's one of my most favorite dies, layering dies. It's pretty cool. These ones here we cut out of pattern cardstock, and this one was just done with ink blending. These 3 were from a Spellbinders class. I love the layered die cuts like this with the ink blending on them. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. This was a shaker card, and then this one was just colored with alcohol inks. Some of these I think I've already put away because I can't find the other 2 cards that went with this. This was a Tailored Expressions, and same with this. This was another Gina K, and I know I have a third one, and I'm pretty sure I either used it already or I put it away in my card storage. This was a Simon Hurley set, and it featured using his foam, you know, the one where you can make your own kind of stamps with. I think the same deal with this one. I think I put some of the cards away. This was also Simon Hurley, but from a different year or different session. These were Lawn Fawn, and again, I'm pretty sure I used one of these already because there definitely were 3. This was a Simon Hurley one as well. And this was Hero Arts. And again, I think there was 2 other ones, but they're not in this pile. And this was also Hero Arts. This was cute when you open it up. It has a little cat on the inside. I won't say I'm caught up, but I am definitely making progress. So I'm really excited about that. So then I bought some Christmas decor kits, and let me show you how those turned out. I think the one I was most excited to do was this little snow globe, and isn't he adorable? I think the only thing that would make this even more perfect would be if it actually was a snow globe, as in like it had interactive snow in it, but he's still pretty cute otherwise. I'm really happy with how that one turned out. And then we made this banner with the little jingle bells. It does need some sort of twine or something to hold onto the stick so that I can hang it up. But other than that, it is done. How cute is that? And then this third one, I'm going to lay it flat so you can see how it's supposed to look, but obviously it is going to stand up. So it may lose a little something in the translation. Hopefully not a ton. So this is going to stand up, and then this piece here, I deliberately did it so that this unhooks so that I can store it properly, but it would look something like this. So this will probably go on like my mantle or something like that. I think it's super cute, the little bottle brush tree with the Santa hat and then the little ornament on the top. Very cute. And look at the little candy cane. I think that's pretty sweet. So I'm really happy with how those turned up. And like I said, that's a few more kits out of my collection, freeing up space for the ones that I, was starting on the floor, so it's a good thing. Anyways, that is it for this month. I hope you are inspired. Pull out a kit or a collection of your own that maybe you've been putting off and just get it done. It's a great feeling. Be sure to check out the other collaborators, and until next time, happy crafting.